Hello friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Is flaxseed good for lowering cholesterol? Today let us know the nutrient value of flax seeds, its benefits, its correct dosage that follows with the recipe of a healthy smoothie. Let us start. Consuming flax seeds helps a great deal in lowering cholesterol. It further helps to reduce blood pressure and to improve the heart health. Researchers show that consuming 30 grams of flaxseed powder daily for 3 months helps to lower total cholesterol by 17% and bad or LDL cholesterol by 20%. Now let us know the nutrient value of flax seeds. Flax seeds are an addition in the traditional foods of the Mediterranean diet for many years. People are using flaxseed oil by crushing the seeds that again has innumerable health benefits. Flax seeds contains alpha-linolenic acid, which is a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that helps in reducing the risk of heart diseases and lower cholesterol. Now let us note down the benefits of eating flax seeds. Flax seeds helps to reduce the menopause symptoms, night sweats and hot flashes. Flaxseed is rich in soluble fiber and its powder can be used to ease constipation. Moreover, it improves kidney function. Flaxseed oil helps in lowering triglyceride levels. Now let us prepare a flaxseed smoothie for cholesterol control. Please note down the ingredients. You need flaxseed powder 1 tablespoon, apple 1 cup chopped, Ceylon cinnamon powder 1/4 teaspoon and unsweetened almond milk 1 cup. Note down the method. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and serve. Now let us find out the correct amount of flax seeds that is advisable for you. There is no recommended dosage prescribed for all. An individual with high cholesterol may consume 15 to 50 grams of flaxseed per day. It is effortless to include flax seeds in your regular diets, such as adding them in bread or muffins or your beverage. Excessive use of flax seeds may cause diarrhea, gas, cramping, bloating, etc. So include the same in moderation to remain healthy. Thank you.